Probably one of the most important thing in designing, like in dynamics and stuff like that, is the use of. What is up, creatives? I'm Fabian. I hope you are safe. I hope you are good. So you are probably here because you are a designer that barely started doing graphic design and you want to know more about design, learn new things that will help you get your first design job. Good choice. Good choice. So in this video I will talk about some fundamental rules of graphic design that you need to know in order to boost your skills like this, skyrocket your skills and be ahead of your game and land your first design job. Boom! Nailed it! After watching this video, I suggest that you click on my channel and watch my other videos because they are like really helpful, especially if you want to know more about graphic design, how to understand graphic design, how to understand pricing, what mentality you should build as a graphic designer to understand the clients. You will learn how to not work for free and why you should not work for free. Based on my current experience as a graphic designer, which is like 3 years now, working with different clients from Romania and from outside of Romania, I got all sorts of experiences, like good ones, bad ones. Basically the videos that I make are like for freelancers like you that just started, like me, because I'm at the beginning, you know, I'm the same. I just started, but I have a bit more experience than you because I work with some clients. In the videos I cover some information about why you should not work for free as a graphic designer no matter what, also how you can stay creative in these times, in the quarantine times, how you can get out of the creative block. It's really helpful information and it's really simple to understand because I won't use any complicated words like visually advanced things that most people won't understand. All the things that I'm about to say in this video will be really helpful and easy to understand. You need only 5 minutes. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to cover will be type. Fundamental rules about type in design. The first one and the most important of them all, it's to not stretch type. Please do not stretch type. Please do not stretch type. It's the golden rule in graphic design. God of rules. Do not stretch type because it will make people think that you are a beginner. Nobody wants for people to think that they are a beginner, because you won't do anything in design if people think that you're a beginner. You won't get your first design project. You won't be able to talk with clients because nobody will ever write you anything. Keep that in mind. The golden rule in graphic design is never stretch type. Okay, moving on. Kerning and tracking. So kerning is basically the adjustment of space between each and every character of a font. Kerning helps your design look more professional. Tracking, on the other side, is the adjustment of a selected group of characters from a font. Don't use more than 2 fonts on your design, right? Because they will signal to people that know a bit or two about design that you are not, so it's my personal advice that I can give you. Maybe you find YouTube tutorials where people or designers said that you can use 3. I prefer using 2, but most of the time I will use only 1 font. Stick to 1 font. Stick to 1 font. My personal preference is Helvetica because it has all sorts of properties. You can find Helvetica Light, Helvetica Regular, Helvetica Bold. You can play with all of these properties of the font. It's mind-blowing how many variations in your designs you can achieve while using only 1 font. Of course, that doesn't apply if you have a client that asks for a specific font. Their brand has like only using Roboto, then you have to use Roboto, but else stick to 1 font. Do all your designs in 1 font and 1 font only. Now I think that we covered some basic rules and principles about type, so we can move on. You need to understand that all your sketches, or most of them, will look ugly. That's the whole purpose of sketches, to look ugly, because they are like random thoughts that pop in your head and you have to like sketch them really quick because they will probably disappear, so it will look ugly. Do not stress about it. Get used to it. That's how life is. As one of the teachers that I watch on Skillshare about typography design and font design, K.W. Benson said, be ugly, let yourself make mistakes, make the same mistakes over and over again. That's what sketching is all about. Get that in your head. It's normal for your sketches to look ugly. Don't stress about it, okay? You got this, trust me. Okay, the next one is the golden ratio. Probably one of the most important thing in designing, like in dynamics and stuff like that, is the use of golden ratio. The golden ratio is basically a mathematical principle or ratio that's found in most living things on earth, especially in nature. If you understand how to use the golden ratio, you will make your designs professional, better, more organic, more dynamic. Learn about the golden ratio, learn how to use it, play with it, and you will be like 3 steps ahead of your competition. It will help your design stand out. Slowly but surely, we're getting to the end of the video. Do not worry, do not stress out before we end. I got 2 more rules, okay? The rules are about layout design. First one is, do not be afraid to use negative space. Negative space is your friend. Take advantage of it. Implement it in your designs. It's a really powerful thing in design that if you understand how to use it. The last thing that you need to understand is at the beginning, your designs will probably look a bit here and there, but no worries, go on the internet, go on Reddit, Discord, and join some design communities. Join the design communities in your native language because it will be easier for you to understand all the things that they will tell you, and you can ask for specific advices that will be easier for you to comprehend and to understand. If you're a logo designer, I suggest that you join the Logo Geek group on Facebook. I'm also a member of the group, and I will link it in the description down below so you can join it. It's really, really awesome. Also in the description of the video, I will link some more helpful resources for you to learn about graphic design. I will link some really interesting articles so you'll have even more information to understand and to learn about. You can thank me by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and hitting the notification bell, so every time I will post a really interesting video about design, you will be the first one that knows, because I have like really cool upcoming videos about design the next video that I will put on my channel will be the Staying Creative series, episode number 4, where I will explain how you should use mockups to make your designs and your presentations stand out. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, link this video to your friends, and also check the description down below because you'll have some gold information down there. Like, trust me, it's really gold information that I personally use and I'm sharing with you. See you in the next one.